Google Ads image extensions. In this video, I'm going to talk about what exactly image extensions are, if you should load it into your account, and importantly, how you can incorporate it. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. Let's go do this. So firstly, what are image extensions? If you see right here, I did a quick Google search for Dentist Sydney. If I scroll down a little bit, you'll see that these two sponsored listings here both have images attached to the ad, okay? And these are done through image extensions. If I show you another example here, I typed in Lawyer Sydney, and as you can see here, both these listings here, these ads, also have image extensions. I actually think this is a pretty bad image, but I guess it is, mum lawyer and there's a head of a kid in there. So the good news is that image extensions are actually really easy to set up. And if you should do it in your account, well, the answer is it's up to you. If you can find an image relevant to your business that you think makes sense and really enhances the look of your ad. They are optional. You do not have to add them, but my personal preference is to add them where you can find a use case for it. So if I head on over to my account, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to set this up. I've already gone into one of my campaigns and one of my ad groups, and I've gone straight to the asset section here. This is where you manage all your ad extensions, or they're now called assets. They used to be called ad extensions. And so the image asset is one of these ad extensions that you're going to be adding. So I click on image here, and then I click this plus button here. And this is going to be where I load in my image. So it's already captured my my ad, because I've created my ad in my existing campaign, and that is for this retargeting challenge. And so if I click plus image here, I can choose from my asset library, so images that I have already loaded up into my account. I can choose to upload from my computer, or I can drag it from my file manager, or I can go to my website here and I can actually put in the URL that I'm sending my traffic to. So here I put in my website, which is where the traffic is going to, and it scans the website and actually plucks out some of the images from this landing page, and I can choose if I want to add those particular images, or I can choose from free stock images. So this is for a Google retargeting challenge. So I could type in Google, let's say, and it might see what it can find here, but I'm not going to do that. So let's just pretend I want to grab this particular image, this vertical image, and then it's going to automatically widen it to fit my particular ad group, or it has actually adjusted it here. So that looks pretty good. And so yeah, you choose which particular option you want to do, whether you've already got it in your library, you want to upload it, or you want, you may as well get Google to try and scan it. And then you click save, and then you'll see here it has been added to my particular ad group. And I wonder if it's going to update it here. It doesn't look like it's going to do it just yet. And I can upload multiple images as well. You actually can choose how many you want. And probably it would be a good idea to upload at least a couple, just so it can split test and you can see which one performs better. And these are the two previews. It's not picking it up for some reason. So there you have it. And then I'm going to click save. And then it will save it to my particular ad group. As you can see here, it's now under review, and then it will add it to the ad, and then I'll be able to get some data on it in some time to see how it's tracking. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to upload image extensions. Definitely recommend you doing it if possible, if you can find an image that is relevant to whatever it is, the ad that you're showing. And definitely check out our website, teachtraffic.com, for more Google training videos, as well as lots of other content. And if you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. Thanks for watching.